Hi, I'm Reed Bloodworth, the managing partner in Bloodworth Law, with offices in Orlando, Florida and Winter Haven, Florida. Today, I'm going to talk to you about what happens if someone's persuaded to enter into a contract based upon fraudulent information. What is fraudulent inducement? Fraudulent inducement occurs when one person convinces another person, through deception, that something false is true and that the resulting contract is based upon that deception. In Florida, the law provides certain protections when someone makes a fraudulent statement that causes you to enter into a contract. Fraudulent inducement is the name of a cause of action in a complaint when a person has been tricked or defrauded into entering into a contract or transaction. A person has committed fraud in the inducement if that person made a false statement about a material fact, that person knew or should have known that the representation was false, the person made the statement in order to induce a person to act, and the person's reliance on the statement caused him or her an injury. For example, when the seller of a business cooks the books and inflates the bottom line of that business to convince a buyer to purchase a business, that's fraudulent inducement. Another example, if you enter into a contract because the other party gave you false information or omitted relevant facts, such as the business is completely dead during the summer and fall, which causes you a financial loss, that could be fraudulent inducement. In these cases, the usual remedy is to have a contract rescinded, effectively voiding the contract and returning the parties to the position they were before entering into the contract, which means the plaintiff gets his or her money back. If you're a business owner who wants to protect your future business interests, you should hire a recommended attorney for a consultation. Again, I'm attorney Reed Bloodworth, the managing partner of Bloodworth Law. If you suspect you were given fraudulent information before buying a business, give me a call. Let's talk about how Bloodworth Law can help you, your family, or your business.